Bonjour les étudiantes. Aujourd'hui, on va faire negative expressions. So, I have already made video on this topic, but still there are still some students who told me that to make this video again for better understanding. So, I'm going to talk about these two expressions, no, where, in. Just remember when you want to say nothing, okay? I eat nothing, I see nothing, or I have nothing, something like that. Use ne, where, rien. This is the structure ne, where, rien. Let's take an example. For example, I want to say I eat nothing. Okay, then that should be je. This is my verb, and before verb ne, and after verb pas. Je ne mange rien. Je ne mange rien. Okay. Why we use ne, rien, these expressions? Because in French the negative expression is ne pas. But it seems really monotonous to use every time ne pas, ne pas. So that's why we use this structure to give variations. Okay? Je ne mange rien. Now, the contradictory statement is if you want to say the positive of rien, that is quelque chose. So, I ate something. Je mange quelque chose. Okay? Now, once this structure is learned, now you can make any sentence by using this structure. If I want to say, I see nothing. Je ne vois rien. Je ne vois rien. I see something. Je vois quelque chose. Je vois quelque chose. This is the positive one. Okay? And this is negative one. The second expression is no, where, plus. Okay? Now, what it means, no, where, plus means not now. Right? Or we can say that, we can use this expression to say like, you can say that anymore. Okay? So, what it means, no, where, plus, anymore. So, il ne fume pas. So, he doesn't smoke anymore. Il ne fume pas. Okay? Il fume encore. He's still. So, here encore doesn't mean again. Here encore means he still smokes. Il fume encore. Okay? This is the positive expression and this is the negative one. If you get it, now whatever activities you don't do, you can use like this. Okay? So, I can say, he doesn't drive anymore. Il ne conduit. Conduit is drive. Il ne conduit pas. He still drives. Il conduit encore. Il conduit encore. Okay? The third one is ne, where, jamais. So here verb will come. Ne, where, jamais. Okay, now what it means? It means that you are talking about the thing which you never do. Okay, so I want to say we never go for like traveling or voyager in winters. So in winters we never go anywhere. Okay, let's make a sentence with this. Nous ne voyagions, this is my verb, jamais. That is also okay, but if you want to say in winter, en hiver. En hiver. So, what it is? Nous ne voyagions jamais en hiver. So, we never travel in winter. Contradictory statement, we always travel in winters. That will be nous voyagerons toujours. You can use toujours. D'accord? En hiver. C'est clair? Okay? The next expression is no, where, go. No, where, go. Now it seems like negative, but it is not a negative expression. So ये negative expression नहीं है. It's not a negative expression. Now what it is? It means that only. Selmo. It is equal to Selmo. Let's take an example of this expression. For example, I want to say, okay, I'll write Elle ne mange que. Okay, so what it means she only eats. She eats only. Que. Now what she eats only? Here we will use que des fruits. So elle ne mange que des fruits. Okay, it is not negative. So she eats only fruits. Elle ne mange que des fruits. Okay, so this is equal to Selmo. So if I want to say I have only one brother, let's take an example. Je n'ai, this is my verb, que, because here is a vowel, we will drop this E. Que, je n'ai que frère. Okay, so this is in the sense of Selmo. Sama? Okay, now the next is so this is the petit exercice pour vous. That is the exercise for you. Complete it, understand first the concept, fill it and then send it to the comment box and I will respond you. So if you understand this, then we will do a petit dialogue. Okay, so that is your homework. You can pause the video here and solve it out. Okay, solve it and then I will give you the response. Okay, d'accord? Okay, so this is like again the exercise. Students, I would like to suggest you, whenever you do any grammar part, first of all, the first step is understand that like we did in a video. The second step is do the exercise, like I have given a exercise, fill in the blanks or something like that. And third, try to use it in speaking. Can you use it? Let's try it. Okay, for example, suppose there are two persons who are talking and somebody, my partner, is asking or demanding or asking me, vous voulez du dessert? So he is asking me or she is asking me, vous voulez du dessert? And I want to say no. So vous voulez du dessert? Would you like to have a dessert? So I want to say no, nothing. So how I would say no? Je ne veux rien. No, je ne veux rien. Okay. Now I am asking to my friend, tu fume. Fume is smoking. Okay. Tu fume. Now he want to say no anymore. Right? How to respond? We have learned. Yes. Try. Je ne fume. Yes. Je ne fume plus. Okay. Now, tu voyages en été? Tu voyages en été? I want to say no. No. Je ne voyage jamais en été. Okay. The last part. Tu achètes beaucoup de choses. So you buy a lot of things. Tu achètes beaucoup de choses. I want to say I buy only clothes. So only, remember what is the expression with the only? That is your ne. Yes, that is your ne que. Right? So no, je n'achète que des vêtements. You can use non, je n'achète que des vêtements. Okay, so this is actually I am making the video from the back camera. I don't know if it's coming in the camera or not. Okay, let me see. Yeah, it's fine. So no, je n'achète que des vêtements. So no, I purchase only vêtements. So only in the sense of no go. Never consider it a like negative sentence. It's a positive one. Equals, égal, equal to seulement. Okay. I hope this is useful activity for you. So please do your grammar practice like that only. Au revoir. À bientôt.